Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogging creator. Today, I'm working with filmora 13. This is the new version, 13.2.6. Just came out today. At least I downloaded today. And I wanted to share something with you guys. And you know, if you ever come across a clip that you want to add sound effects to it and the clip doesn't have it, well, let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to come over here to the stock media folder. I'm going to click that on here. And you see this one over here? Right over here, I'm going to drop this in the timeline like that. And when you play it, I would like to have the sound effect with it. Okay. Now I tried going to the audio file over here, and I typed in over here in a search, but you got to go to sound effects first. Okay, let's go over here. Anyway, they had the TV glitch here. Now, there's also a window up here with a search window. You could do. I don't know if you guys are aware of that, but if you go type in here, I typed in glitch, right, and this is what came up. So I figured, oh, let me try the digital glitch. So I copied it there. Let me just copy it over here. All right, I'm going to drop it in the timeline like that. And anytime you got a lot of spaces like this, folks, click on the little plus sign here, and we see it says delete empty tracks. Click that on, it deletes them. Everyone should be going up and down there, right? All right, so you can't really do much with it because it's a pre-formatted sound effect, meaning you can't stretch it. If you use the duration, it won't work. I tried all that. And if you want to experiment yourself, you could do it. Click it on, and when you see the little clock that comes on here, you're going to click on. That's the duration thing, right? And I tried it, and you get a message because it's a pre-formatted one. You can't stretch it. You could experiment on your own. I don't want to take too much of your time. So anyway, the beginning of it would sound nice, right? You click it on. It sounds good, right? No good. And if you keep replicating it, meaning you keep dropping it, you keep dropping the same thing in here. Let me just get my mouse over here. And let's say you keep dropping this over and over again. Let me do this here. My mouse is a little messed up, guys. And you keep dropping it. Let's go like this here. Oops, like that. And you drop another one in there in the timeline. I want to show you. You got to get the full effect. You don't know what I'm talking about. And we'll just drop another one over here, like that. We'll do the four for now. Check this out. You'll know what I'm talking about. Let's move this here back this way, and we're going to play it. So right there and then, if I was to use that and be very lazy, I'll just play it. Why not? Who cares? You're gonna notice the sound. A lot of people do. So let's get rid of this here, and I'm gonna take you to a site that I deal with, and it's a good site, and it's called Pixabay, and we're gonna click it on right now, and here you get royalty-free glitch sounds. If you go to the other window here, I'll drop the link to this here. You get stunning royalty-free images and royalty-free stock. As you can see over here, they got photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, music, sound effects, GIFs, you name it, they got it. And it's for free. Some of the stuff now, you got to understand one thing though. When you go here, because like when I go to back to the home page here, I type in YouTube, right? Because sometimes if you guys look at my videos, you'll notice, hey, this guy's got some YouTube stuff on here. But I want to share one thing with you. When you see the stuff up here on the first line up here on this website, that is from, I think that's from iStock. Yes, and when you click on, let's say you want to use this particular one, you click it on, it's going to take you to this window. It's going to cost you $7 for that image. Okay, so I'm just throwing it out there. So just keep that in mind. Everything below it is free. You click this on here, it'll take you to another page over here, another window. And when you click the download, you're going to click that there. I don't want to download this in. You'll download it. It'll go into your download file, and then you could import it into your filmora 13. So we're not going to do that there. All right. But anyway, I just wanted to throw that out there. So anyway, let's go back to the royalty sounds here. And I picked this one over here, and you could try it out. You can listen to it. Okay. I said this one sounds good. It also gives you the time over here. It's 1 minute and 58 seconds long, which I don't really need it because that clip over here in filmora is a lot, it's less. So anyway, what I did is I already downloaded it. Okay, so we're going to go back over here to media, and we're going to go back to the project. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here. It says import. I already downloaded it. Like I said, I don't want to keep this video super long. I'm going to go over here, import media files, and this is what I want right here. I'm going to move myself over here so I could connect it here. Boom. Okay, now it's there. Okay, now I can play around with that there. All right, when I'm going to drop this in the timeline over here, you can see it's a lot longer. Okay, now even though it's sound effects, with this here, the stretch feature that comes with Filmora, if you use it, you'll know when you got it activated. It'll turn from the arrow will turn to the music note. Okay, let's go over here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It won't let me go all the way back. Let's go over here. Okay, let's go over here. Click this on here. Hold on. Whoops, going back over here again. Sorry, guys. Okay, so when you go like this, it's going to stop at a certain point. Okay? You see what I'm talking about here. Okay. That's it. It won't go any further. Okay? And it'll stretch it, and that's it. Okay? But you can't go any, like if I went over here again, obviously take it again, it won't. It's got like a lock on it, it seems like, right? Alright. So all you got to do, very simple. You want to get rid of the music note. It's going to drive you crazy. Go back to this arrow here. It says select. Click that on, and boom, that's gone. Very simple. Click it over here with the little scissors. Cut it. Get rid of it. Boom, it's gone. Go back over here. And now, listen to how it sounds. It's a quick little tip, when it comes to, adding sound effects to it. I mean, I like doing it. I like doing stuff like that there. Because who wants just a blank thing like that? Just a video clip with no sound, I don't know. I just thought it's pretty cool. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you got a little takeaway from it. I will drop the link to Pixabay in there. And of course, if you're new and you don't have no video editing software to use, I'll drop the link to Filmora as well. And by the way, just a little disclaimer, I don't have any affiliate links with them. I kind of like, I guess you could say I do free promos for them. I don't know. I don't care. It doesn't really bother me because I like to, help people out. That's what my YouTube channel is all about. I call it the His Initiative, to help inspire and share. I want to see people, promote their channels. I want to see you guys become successful, especially if you're a new YouTuber or thinking about starting a YouTube channel. I don't mind putting it out there. I like sharing information. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel. If you like it, hit the like button. And if you want to be updated when I post that new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Pacini signing off. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care, and bye-bye for now.